Hello future educator! Welcome to my channel. Here are the 5 tips for taking Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English. 1. Read widely. Engage in diverse reading materials, literature, fiction, non-fiction, essays, and academic texts. This broadens your understanding of language. 2. Improve writing skills. Practice writing regularly. Experiment with different styles, formats, and genres. 3. Language proficiency. Work on honing your grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. 4. Engage in discussions. Participate actively in class discussions, seminars, and workshops. 5. Networking. Connect with professors, fellow students, and professionals in the field. Remember, being a Bsed major in English is not just about learning content, but also about developing the skills needed to effectively impart that knowledge to future students. Continuously strive for improvement and embrace opportunities for growth within the field of educat. Don't forget to subscribe for more. See you on my next video.